Ever needed a Walmart receipt from a past purchase and couldn't find the paper copy? Don't worry, retrieving it is easier than you think using the Walmart app. Let's jump right into how to get those digital receipts. First, make sure you have the Walmart app downloaded and you're logged into the account you used for the purchase. If you shopped online or used Walmart Pay, your receipt is already waiting for you. Once you're in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the account button, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens up the main menu. Next, look for and select Purchase History. This is where all your past transactions are stored. You'll see a list of your purchases, organized by date. Scroll through and find the transaction you need the receipt for. Once you've found the correct purchase, tap on it. This will bring you to the order details. You should see an option that says View Receipt. Tap that. Great! Your digital receipt is now displayed. From here, you have a few options. Look for the share icon. It's typically an arrow pointing upwards. Tapping it opens your phone's share sheet. From there, you can email the receipt to yourself, save it as a PDF, or print it directly if you have a printer connected to your phone. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved and printed a receipt from the Walmart app. No more lost paper receipts.